cake. Make yourself comfortable and enjoy your ride. Bienvenue à bord du service Union Pearson Express à destination de l'aéroport international Pearson de Toronto. Notre prochain arrêt est la gare de Weston. For WestJet Flight 518 to...
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nassau. The local time here is 12:19.
All right, we just arrived in Nassau and got through immigration, and now we are headed to the hotel. The locals here go out of their way to make sure that you are happy and that you're having a good experience while you're visiting. When you're in Nassau, keep in mind that this is a cruise port, and so it is very touristy on Nassau as well as at Atlantis. So the resort is made of several properties. We stayed at the Royal. We are currently at the Cove. The Cove is a little bit more expensive, a little bit more upscale.
Nicer, yeah.
But the Royal is like the hub for the resort. So that's where like all the pools and water slides and Dolphin Key and all of the, you know, turtle conservation and the casino. And that is where the cruise ship guests will come off the cruise ship into the Royal. So you are sharing the amenities with the cruise ship. But, you know, there is so much to do. And if you know that going in, it's probably, you know.
Yeah, it's probably fine.
Yeah, totally fine. It's like a little like donut.
Fried goodness. Delicious!
What is it?
Alright, today we're going to head downtown to this area called the Straw Market. It's kind of a historic place. See if we can do some shopping.
Sounds fun.
Leia wearing my straw hat.
What do you think, honey?
I think I'm sad we didn't stay here.
Yeah?
Right under the Four Seasons. This place.
that must be the chocolate factory up there then.
Have the best conch fritters I've ever had in my whole life. I think it should be named a conch donut. It was delicious. It was so good.
Atlantis has a number of kind of properties or buildings. You know, we were in the Royal Atlantis, which is the building right behind us.
And then the restaurant at the Cove, it's new. It's called Fish by Jose Andre, and it was really worth going to. It was so good.
It was really good.
They have lionfish on the menu. He's all into conservation and sustainability, so everything is done really well and with a lot of care and thought.
Yeah. So anyways, this is it. We're signing off from the Bahamas. Thanks for watching.
Hi, Mom.
Bye.
Okay, we just arrived in Atlantis, just got through immigration,
nope.
And no.
We didn't arrive in Atlantis.
No,
we arrived at Nassau. Okay, so today we're gonna head down to a place downtown called the Straw Market. They got a bunch of little shops and everything. Nope.